Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the classic Black Label line by Vape Craft. A 70VG 30PG blend, the classic Black Label is a Hawaiian crafted premium line featuring tropical vapes that use the finest fruit juices and sweet and tangy profiles. They are available in 60 milliliter bottles and 4 levels of nicotine. Legacy 650 is a legendary pina colada featuring a medley of tropical fruits with smooth coconut. The smell is pineapple followed by coconut. On the inhale, I get fresh sweet pineapple with creamy coconut on the exhale. Green Jacket is a sophisticated blend of sugary watermelon, ripe pears, and sweet mango and apricot. I get top notes of watermelon for the smell. For the inhale, I get mostly sweet watermelon, with apricot and mango on the exhale. VIP is an exciting combination of sour blue raspberry and sweet tangy gummy candies. The smell is top notes of blue raspberry. For the inhale, I get sweet fruit, with tart blue raspberry on the exhale. Diamond Status is a classic creamy and bold creme de menthe, mixed with a sweet vanilla cream. The smell is sweet mint. Both the inhale and the exhale are a sweet mint with light vanilla notes. Platinum Chalice is a succulent sweet mix of mouth-watering Fuji apple, sweet watermelon, and a hint of lime. For the smell, I get a combination of Fuji apple and lime. The inhale is a sweet watermelon, with tart apple and lime notes on the exhale. Clubhouse is an amazing take on a popular apple and cinnamon breakfast cereal. This is my favorite flavor of the review. The smell is top notes of tart apple with hints of sweet cinnamon. The inhale is a sweet, maybe brown sugar blast, followed by tart apple. I get light notes of cinnamon on the finish. Gold Cup is a juicy combination of apricot, key lime, and fluffy whipped cream. The smell is predominantly apricot notes. I get sweet and creamy apricot on the inhale, with light tart key lime on the exhale. 19th Hole is a thirst-quenching and refreshingly tart raspberry tea. I get strong notes of raspberry for the smell. The inhale is a sweet and tart raspberry, with notes of tea on the exhale. Yacht Club is a delicious breakfast spread of crisp and tart blueberry jam. I get notes of tart blueberry for the smell. For the inhale, I get tart notes, with sweet blueberry on the finish. I found the classic Black Label line to be smooth flavors. Due to flavor preferences, I wasn't a fan of all these blends, but I could tell they were made with great ingredients because of the smooth vape they provided. The classic Black Label line currently comes in 9 flavors and runs $22.99 per 60 milliliter bottle. If you'd like to try the line or any other flavors from Vape Craft, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.